I'm Ian Beach, Nature Reserve Warden for Wrens National Nature Reserve in the West Midlands, Dudley Borough. The Cage Pool Nature Rescue Project is an idea from myself and some of the friends groups and other volunteers for an ongoing project that we've really struggling to get on top of really, and it's got away from us now, to be honest. Over many years we've been coming in with hand tools trying to restore the pool, and we don't have enough impact every year, so unfortunately the pool's very much dried up and it's full of sediments. So what we proposed for this project was the woodlands to the back of us here, where the inlet for the water comes through to the pool, was to reopen that channel and opening up other little tributaries off that have got small pools, so we can retain a lot of water into the woodlands. We're going to have to do some work within this woodlands, coppicing and leaky dams, which will help hold sediments and also help restore and hold water in some of the smaller pools. Part of this will be want to take volunteers and local community and school groups, hopefully. We want to teach them about woodland management, looking at how water retained on the ground that's not going into drains stops flooding downstream. It also helps carbon capture because it's holding this water in the ground for longer. And hopefully, by teaching them the woodland management, it's a skill that they'll understand and perhaps be able to use with other volunteer groups, other nature reserves, or even back on site here. So we've got a series of coppicing areas we want to work through, and that will provide us with all the material we need for leaky dams. So that's sort of keeping costs down for us. And obviously over 5 years it'll regrow material, and then we can redo the project again every sort of 4 or 5 years, and we've got materials there to keep restoring what we've done. The pool's going to need dredging. This is where some of the money comes in from the project, because we can get a digger in here, we can pull the pool out. There's a lot of non-native species around the pool which can be dug out as well, and these can all be buried in the bank, and all those sticks and branches and everything will create a lovely little habitat underneath for newts and other invertebrates to go and hibernate in there or make habitat. This bank as well, with the sediments, we're wanting to be south facing, so it catches a lot of sunlight. We're going to plant key species on there to attract different butterflies, dragonflies, so hopefully that will be a good food plant and breeding area for wildlife. So all this is really good for nature conservation and for the site locally, because the local people using the site will be able to see butterflies and dragonflies and all sorts of different stuff. Obviously all this will be with guidance for the on-site staff, and then hopefully we'll be able to carry out this amazing restoration of the pool, and it'll have a massive impact realistically on the local community and one of the main entrances to our site. And the bonus with this as well will be helping nature conservation locally as well. Cheers, thanks so much, bye.